What are you trying to read? I see this thing on the ground here and I'm trying to read it out. Well, let me help you. I don't want to help. Please, well. Oh gosh, don't get on so now. Okay, help me out. What makes something important? What gives a concept value? What gives evidence of its worth? As humans, well, that is what it say here. As humans, we value one thing over another. From the words we say to which object shines more brightly than the other. Yet, here we discover that the things we often value aren't worth the coldness we show to a desperate brother. Oh, brother, that's a messed up thought. But hey, without a doubt, your happiness is worth the pain it's brought. The hearts you have plucked out, the hopes and dreams whose lights you have snuffed out, leaving a trailing smoke and drought in pursuit of which your life has no meaning without. Ha ha! I doubt. 'Cause one man's trash is God's treasure. And what you may view as a fool's endeavor could greater weather times test much better than the trivial things we aim to achieve but can't perceive mean nothing in comparison to all God has given us through His Son. So, to end as we began, your thoughts, I hope, to land on this question. What do you value? And once the answer is clear, to your treasure, stay true. Wait, boy, that was real good, boy. Yeah, but that don't mean nothing to me, 'cause I's a dog. And I am just a cat. Which reminds me.